All right, so I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple AirPods so they go factory default reset and they're erased, removed from your account. So if someone sets them up new, they will not have that situation where it says these belong to someone else. They're going to be able to track you. So open up your buds. Make sure actually that they've been charged up. So open them up. And then once they're opened up, what you want to do is you're going to press the button on the back of the case. And you're going to hold that button until, I'll show you, just hold it. It's going to turn white. It's going to turn white. It's going to go into pairing mode right now. And then eventually it's going to go orange or red, whatever color you want to say it is, while you're holding it. I haven't let go of the button in the back. I'm still holding it, still holding it. And here you go. They have been reset at this point. So you can let go of the button and they are no longer associated with your account and they've been factory reset. So they're good to go. They can be used by other people. So there you guys go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.